Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore the power of Jira timesheets and how can they improve your workflow. Let's dive deeper. Time tracking in Jira helps to monitor how much time is spent on tasks within a project. Users can log time in Jira and create a simple time tracking report afterward. If users want to get more advanced time tracking features, they can try various Jira add-ons like ActivityTimeline to generate timesheets for multiple teams and projects. ActivityTimeline provides diverse timesheets for users' preferences. There are three main timesheets reports types. Let's start with progress team timesheets. Just choose dates, teams or users and generate. Here we can see the team's members, their required and logged hours, and the progress bar. Timesheets also includes non-working days for maximum accuracy. If you want to get more detailed information about the user, just click on the user's bar and the detailed timesheets per users will appear. Here you can find the tasks on which the user was working, project keys, the logged hours, and the category of work logs. The category column shows whether the tasks are billable or non-billable, or some other category. By default, there are only billable and non-billable, but you can also create custom timesheets categories. All timesheets can be exported as an Excel file. The next goes Timeline Team Timesheets. It's more powerful as it offers users, projects, and even epic timesheets templates to choose from. Let's take a look at users' timesheets. We can get a summary view of the work logs. The summary timesheet will show us users' overall sum of logged hours, a progress bar, and a calendar view that shows daily logged hours. You can change the view by choosing a weekly or monthly view. The same as in the previous report, if you want to get more detailed information, just click on the user's bar and a detailed view will appear. If employees work on multiple projects, it's very easy to see on which projects they spend their time mostly. Just group users' timesheet by project and understand how much time individuals spend on each project. Or get a detailed view of issues where the users spend time. Very often, teams work on big epics with subtasks, and it's very important for project managers to track these epics. Just group work logs by epics and you can effortlessly see users' logged hours to multiple epics in one place. Timesheets are highly customizable and look like a Lego set, so users can try projects and epic timesheets templates or custom timesheets by choosing the needed data to reflect. By the way, you can also include Jira saved filters in your timesheets. The last report will be Detailed Team Timesheet, where you can find detailed information about specific teams or users. Here you can also choose additional data from Jira to be included in your timesheet. Forget about annoying Excel timesheets and track your time in Jira with advanced tools. To get some more tips on Jira resource management and time tracking, check out more informative videos on this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support, which is support@relax.com. See you in our next episodes.